Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, and the topic is reported speech. Reporting the words of the speaker in own words is called reported speech. Students, sometimes we see that in grammar book narration is written. It is also we have to read in this the act of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. There are two main ways of reporting the words of a speaker: direct speech, indirect speech. Direct speech we may say direct narration, and indirect speech we may say indirect narration. First, I am giving you direct speech definition. Now, what is direct speech? Reporting the words of the speaker in the same way is called direct speech. Example, with the help of example I am clearing this. Ram said, comma, inverted comma, I am very busy now. Here you all are looking, the actual words of the speaker are put in quotes. Indirect speech, the act of reporting the words of the speaker by making necessary changes to it is called indirect speech. Students, you must look at these sentences as I have given you direct speech example, and after that I will give you indirect speech example. Now I have given you indirect speech example. Ram said that he was very busy then. Now here you have to see, in indirect speech, while narrating something, changes are made in the original words of the person. For example, tenses and pronouns are changed according to the reporting verb. Okay, in sentence 1 direct speech I have given you example. We can notice that this is the speaker's direct narration as it is shown inside double quotation marks. But in sentence 2 indirect speech example, tense and pronouns are changed and quotation marks are removed. Now students, with the help of example, I want to clear that what is reported speech, what is reporter, what is reporting verb, and what is reporting clause. Okay, as the sentence you all are looking, Ram said that he was very busy then. Here Ram is reporter, said is reporting verb, and here I am very busy now, it is reported speech. The exact words of the speaker are placed within inverted commas. This portion of the sentence I have already told you is called the reported speech. As here Ram said is reporting clause. Students, in examination comes, change the following sentences into indirect speech. You have to change sentences direct to indirect. Okay, now so how to change? The first step you must remember SON, son, 1 2 3. If you keep this rule in your mind, then it will be clear. As I have told you, you must remember SON, son, 1 2 3. Here S stands for subject, O stands for object, and N stands for no change. First means first person, 2 means second person, 3 means third person. First person changes according to subject, second person changes according to object, and third person no change. Students, here we are speaking first about the first person. I, me, my, mine, we, us, our. In the reported speech, change according to the subject of the reporting verb. Now, second, you all are looking that the second person, you, your, yourself. In the reported speech, change according to the object of the reporting verb. Now, third person, I have already told you that no change, and third person, he, she, it, him, his, her, one, they, them, theirs. Pronouns of the third person do not change. Present tense, Dr. Suman says, I examined the patients on Saturday. How to change indirect? Dr. Suman says that. Okay? She examines the patients on Saturday. It is simple sentence, present sentence. So we have to only remove inverted comma and we have to put down that, and we have to only change so and son, as I have told you, I according to subject. Subject is Suman. Then we have written C. Okay. Simple we have changed because it is simple sentence, present sentence, so we does not change. Past tense, tense of the verb in indirect speech. Reported verb is in the past tense. Example, Ansu said my mother is happy. Ansu said that her mother was happy. It is past tense. So in past tense we have to change simple present changes to simple past, simple present used to express a habitual action or a universal truth remains unchanged, present continuous changes to past continuous, present perfect changes to past perfect, simple past changes to past perfect, and past perfect remains unchanged. I will make another video, then I will discuss that how to we have to make past tense, how to change direct to indirect, because it is a very vast topic. And now future tense, Dr. Suman will say, I examined the patients on Saturday. Now, indirect speech, Dr. Suman will say that she examined the patients on Saturday. Here, tense of the verb in indirect speech, reported verb is in the future tense, does not change. Friends, it's a very important topic, and after this in next video I will give you how to change tense like present tense, past tense, future tense, direct to indirect, one by one. Thank you.